Good morning, students. Today I am going to teach you one chapter from your literature book Moments. Chapter 8, A House is Not a Home. This chapter is written by Jan Godishu. Okay, in this chapter, this is a story about a boy who was living in a city, but after some times he has to left that city and went to other places to settle down. Okay, and on that time several things had happened with him. So now let's start the chapter. Okay, now the author was studying in a school, in a junior school. So after completion of the school junior level, he has to now going to shift in other school, and there when he went to that school he felt very sad because everything was new there, all the environment was new, and no one was his friend. And in previous school he was the captain of the class, so that's why he got respects from the teachers and the students also. So for that he was not feeling well in the new school. So whenever he felt sad on that time, he returned back to his old school and met with the teachers, and the teachers also encouraged him. So the author one day he was doing his homework in his new house. When he was doing his homework on that time, he smelled something was burning. So when he went outside to see what was burning, then he saw that the whole house was filled with the smoke. Then he suddenly ran out from the house. When he ran out from the house, he saw that his mother was running inside the house and his house was on the fire. So when his mother was running inside the house, he saw that his mother has took one box and some documents, that was the important documents that she brought with her. But suddenly after some times again she started running towards the house, and on that time the house was on full fire. So full completely was burning from fire. So the author also became very scared, and he also started running towards his mother, but he found that someone had caught his hand from the back side. Now the author looked behind, he saw that there were lots of fire brigade persons, and also the fire brigade vehicles came here to put out the fire. But he started crying. He told that my mother was inside the house. So one of the firemen went inside the house and he took his mother out from there, and his mother became unconscious. So he put some water and give some water to drink, and now his mother become well. When in the evening, when he saw that his fire was completely destroyed, everything was destroyed, nothing was left with him. So the fireman told, no, you have to shift to other places because it is dangerous to go inside the house because of the chemical which was spread in the house. So they moved from that place, and he went to his grandfather house, and there he was living. But after few days he wants to go to a school, but he has no shoes, no dress. So he took shoes from her aunt, tennis shoes, and he was in his previous dress. Everything was lost, his books, bags, everything. So he went inside he went to the school, and when he went to the school on that time, he knew everything that no one was talking with him, everyone was a strange for him. But he went into the school on that time. He found that the one of the children, when they have gym classes on that time, some children told that okay, you also go, do fast. And when he went into the hall, he found that there was a very big table in between the hall, and on that table everything was available, all the books, all the dresses, all the shoes, okay, everything was available from the students. On that time he became very happy कि no, I had thought that everyone was strange for me, but they all are my friend. They have shake hand with him, and they also told their name, and also they invited him to their houses. So he becomes very happy. No, his house was again construction was going on. So that's why he and his friends went there every day, go there and saw the construction of the house. On that time he was missing his cat, because he has a cat, and that cat was also lost during the fire. So while during the construction of the house, one day a lady came to him and asked to him, is this your cat? Then he became very happy. Yes, this is my cat. So lady told, I hardly managed to find your address, because name and phone number was written on the collar of the cat, but the phone was dead. So he becomes very happy, and now he feels very happy because everything he got again. Thank you and have a nice day.